So hello guys, welcome to my new video, and here we are going to make a use of ChatGPT as writing a professional email for negotiating a salary with the HR. So here is the prompt that I have written. So without wasting your time, let's get started to the video. So here I have written, I want you means ChatGPT to act as a professional salary negotiating email writer. Okay, and I will provide you with information about my current job and salary, as well as my salary expectations and any relevant context. Your job will be need to write an email to my employer requesting a salary increase or negotiating the particular salary for the job offer. And here at last you can just copy this all, and then just you can tell what your current salary is and how much you wanted. So here I have written, my offer is an entry level software engineer at Google and my salary is 150k USD. I have a competing offer from Facebook whose total salary is $200,000. So here is an amazing prompt that is written by the ChatGPT. Just you can see here, dear employer, the name of your HR. I am writing to express my enthusiasm for the opportunity to join the team as an entry level software engineer at Google and to request a salary negotiation. I understand this initial offer that was made of rupees 150k USD, but I am seeking a salary that is more competitive with the market rate and reflective of my qualifications and the value to particular company. So here, as you can see, the ChatGPT have written an amazing prompt. Just if you say so, I will copy this prompt, and just I can write into the description section where you can directly copy it. So thank you for watching this video, and this video was sponsored by AI Convo. Basically, I would like to tell you that I have created one particular course where you can learn how you can use ChatGPT in 101 different professions. So you can visit aiconvo.in and you can just see the curriculum, and if you liked it, if you think that it is worthwhile buying the course, then definitely go for it, and please give me the review. Already 142 reviews I have got, and 648 students have registered till date. So if you use the code ELON20, just you will get ₹400 off. Just go one time, just see the overview and the curriculum section. So here was the video how you can use ChatGPT to write a professional email. So thank you for watching the video guys till here. We will meet you into the next video. Till then, bye.